At times when the world's largest chemical company addresses employees, they borrow from William Shakespeare in a literal sense and say, "Lend me your ears." They quote the Bard of Avon to protect their employees from any noise exposure that might affect their hearing. Presently, the company is evaluating its latest development to help guard against hearing loss. It's a portable audio dosimeter. It was worn in recent tests to time varying noise levels the employees' ears are subjected to. The electronic readout from the dosimeter shows if noise levels are within federal standards and also indicates if ear protection is needed. More importantly, it helps pinpoint what or where machinery should be further dampened to lessen noise. While the newly enacted occupational health and safety law sets limits for noise levels and exposure thereto, DuPont's hearing conservation efforts have been underway since 1952, and they have been repeatedly revised and improved since then.